Asterisk, welcome back to Auto Upgrade Nation, where speed meets style and performance takes the spotlight. Today, we're diving into the beastly legend reborn. This is the 2025 Ford Mustang Cobra R in a sleek, stunning white finish. Buckle up, because what you're about to see isn't just a car, it's an experience forged in American muscle heritage and engineered for the next era of raw performance. Asterisk, the Cobra R name is sacred in Mustang history. And in 2025, Ford didn't just bring it back, they redefined it. From the very first glance, the aggressive stance tells you this car means business. Sitting lower, wider, and meaner than your average Mustang, the 2025 Cobra R features a sculpted hood with active heat extractors, massive front splitter, and air ducts that scream track ready. The white color only enhances its bold features, giving it that clean yet deadly aura like a storm hiding behind a calm sky. Asterisk, under the hood, you've got something truly special. A hand-built 5.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, pushing out a monstrous 610 horsepower and 550 pounds-ft of torque. No superchargers, no turbos, just pure mechanical aggression. It revs beyond 8,000 RPM and delivers instant throttle response, giving you goosebumps with every downshift. Mated to a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission, this isn't just a muscle car, it's a driver's car. Rowing through the gears feels mechanical and raw, bringing you closer to the road than any digital system ever could. Asterisk, and let's talk sound. The exhaust note is nothing short of iconic. It roars with that unmistakable Mustang growl, but the Cobra R takes it a step further. It's loud, unapologetic, and completely addictive. The titanium exhaust setup reduces weight and enhances performance while delivering that spine-tingling, high-revving symphony. This isn't background noise. It's a soundtrack of power. Asterisk, on the outside, the white paint finish contrasts beautifully with blacked-out 20-inch forged wheels, red Brembo brake calipers, and carbon fiber accents throughout the body. Everything about this design screams function and form. The hood pins, the side skirts, the rear diffuser, and that towering carbon rear wing, all of it serves aerodynamic purpose while boosting that race-ready aesthetic. Even the Mustang badge has been toned down. There's no pony on the front grille, just a gaping intake hungry for air. It's all business. Asterisk, now step inside and the story continues. The interior is stripped down and race-focused, but still wrapped in premium materials. Lightweight Recaro bucket seats hold you tight through corners, wrapped in suede and contrast-stitched leather. The rear seats, deleted for weight savings. You get a digital instrument cluster with Cobra R exclusive graphics, track telemetry, and force data. Carbon fiber trims the dash, doors, and center console. Even the steering wheel is Alcantara wrapped for maximum grip and minimal slip, whether you're on the street or slicing through apexes. Asterisk, Ford didn't just build this car for the street. The 2025 Cobra R is track legal and track hungry. It comes with an advanced MagneRide suspension, fully adjustable coilovers, and a dedicated track mode that tightens everything up. With active aero and a downforce package that creates over 400 pounds of grip at speed, this Mustang grips harder than ever before. Even the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires were specifically developed for this model, giving you insane cornering, power, and extreme heat resistance under load. Asterisk, braking is no less impressive. 16.5-inch carbon ceramic rotors in the front, 15-inch in the rear. This isn't overkill, it's necessity. The Cobra R stops on a dime, and lap after lap, fade is minimal. You can push this car to the edge, and it won't flinch. Asterisk, technology-wise, it keeps things driver-focused. No massive screens to distract you, just the essentials. But you still get a race-tuned launch control system, adjustable traction control settings, and real-time tire temperature readouts. It's smart performance, not digital clutter. Asterisk, Ford is only making a limited number of these, and each one is hand-built, serialized, and tested to perfection. This isn't just a collector's dream, it's a performance milestone. Whether you're a Mustang loyalist or just someone who craves a connection with the road, The 2025 Cobra R delivers adrenaline in its purest form, asterisk, so there you have it. The 2025 Ford Mustang Cobra R in white, a pure expression of American performance. Heritage brought into the modern age with no compromise. It's loud, it's fast, it's raw, and it doesn't pretend to be anything else. If you're chasing something real, something mechanical, something wild, this is your ride, asterisk. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Upgrade Nation for more high-performance legends and future classics. Drop a comment if you'd take the Cobra R over a Shelby or even a C8 Corvette. Until next time, keep upgrading and stay fast, asterisk.